Hello guys, my name is Yana and this is BOOBOO.
BOOBOO, are you driving today? Are you driving today? Good morning, good morning, good morning. BOOBOO, where's the cat? Where's the cat? Where's the cat, BOOBOO? Where's the cat? The cat. Where is it? Where's the cat? The cat. Where's the cat, BOOBOO? The cat. BOOBOO.
Now this is BOOBOO. Hi BOOBOO. She's small and furry and black and sweet and extremely cute and intelligent. Тя е малка, черна, интелигентна, страхотна, много сладка, very, very sweet. She's from Greece. Тя е от Гърция, but she doesn't...
Sit, BOOBOO. Thank you, darling. BOOBOO. BOOBOO. BOOBOO, come here.
Well, you're not going out guys? No.
Come on, BOOBOO. Yeah, good girl. Okay, come on, baby. Върви по стълби, слиза по стълби. Come on, baby. Yeah, good girl. Okay. The Bulgarian word for living room is dnevna, and it relates to the word den. It comes from the word den, a day, and from den you derive dneven, okay? Dnevna, because room is a feminine word, the adjective has to actually comply. So dnevna is a feminine word. BOOBOO, are you going to drive today? Are you driving today?
We're going in. No.
Come on, BOOBOO. BOOBOO has just had a shower. BOOBOO току-що си взе душ. BOOBOO току-що си взе душ. She has just had a shower. Aren't you pretty, BOOBOO? Aren't you pretty? Yes.
Now, this pose means gladnessum. I'm hungry. Gladden, the word is...
Good night, BOOBOO. Come, baby. Good girl. And this is what tail wagging
This here is a very famous chain in Sofia. It says Biraria Halbite. Halba comes from the German word halbe, so halb meaning half, okay, in English. And Biraria is a beer place, actually, somewhere where you can, oh, this means garden.
The Bulgarian word for carpet or rug or carpet is kilim, and as you can see for yourself, somebody is using it, this one very, very successfully. And the word for... BOOBOO, come, darling. Good girl, bravo, good girl, wag.
Good. Yeah, okay, thank you.
Are you driving today? You want to drive today? Yeah, okay. BOOBOO. BOOBOO. Well, she doesn't like cats very much. She chases him. Good girl. Where's the cat?
She doesn't understand any Greek. She understands English, actually. She doesn't understand any Bulgarian either. And she hates being filmed. What she's doing right now, she's posing for me. BOOBOO, wait. Very kindly. She's posing for me right now. What I want you to...
Good girl.
She won't listen to me. BOOBOO?
Going out guys? No. Sorry. Sorry about that.
BOOBOO. Out of the car. Okay. BOOBOO, come out. BOOBOO is Lisa Navran. She's going outside. Lovely. Okay. Feminine word. It means living room, a day room, so to speak. But the reason I'm making this video is because I want to show you something very special. And this is not this dog, although she's very special. Hi, BOOBOO. Hi, darling. Okay, I want to show you this. Okay, this here is called haliste. Okay, haliste, and it's a very, very Rhodope word. Actually, people used to use these covers in old times. Are you driving today? Yeah. Good girl. She's now clean. Сега е чиста. Yeah. BOOBOO след душ.
So pretty. You're so cute. Hungry, adjective for masculine, and for feminine because this is a female dog, okay? For her it would be... Lekker nós, BOOBOO. Tail wagging is Makam Supashka. Come, baby. Come, baby.
Good girl. Garden, gradina. Okay, let's go inside. Right. Oh, sorry. BOOBOO loves this place. I love this place. Yes, BOOBOO coming. Okay. It's a lovely place. It is Holy Saturday today. And this floor is pod. Pod. Okay. When you hear people speak fast, you don't hear the d sound. Pod. Okay. If something is on the floor, it is na poda. But otherwise...
Rag, rag. Good girl. Right. Okay.
That was a welcome kiss, okay? I'm here
BOOBOO.
Where's the cat? Did you find the cat? Meow! Meow! Okay, good girl. Come here. Come here, darling.
To also say is that if she was wagging her tail, I could teach you the expression to wag your tail. Makam za supashka, that was the expression. But actually, I don't want to, abuse her patience anymore. Well, thank you, BOOBOO. What are you doing on this pillow?
BOOBOO, come out. Come out. Oh, good girl. BOOBOO, wait. Good girl. Old times in the winter, okay? But today they're basically used for decoration, in fact. So, haliste. These are handmade, made from pure wool, and are Rhodope, originate from the Rhodope. Very beautiful. So, the word for living room is dnevna. Dnevna.
BOOBOO after her shower.
It would be gladna sam. Gladna li si, BOOBOO? Okay, we'll have breakfast in a minute. BOOBOO, gladna li si?
And this is their garden, one of the beautiful places in Sofia. Very informal, very nice. Okay, and you have to know about this place. Right, the inside is very cozy as well. Biraria halbite. Otherwise you hear pot, okay? This one is terracotta tiles, okay? Kilim, pod, and of course, kuche. Hey, BOOBOO.
Good girl. Whack, whack.